getting the eggs. And Edith is biting my leg. There's a chick that's been laying them. Oh, did you break it?
Nope.
It'd be easier if she just kept laying them in the barn.
Here she comes. Edith, go.
Is that it?
Yep.
That's a lot of eggs. I had to throw grain to them to get them away from the gate. Alright, Sailor's got the eggs. We're going to go take them up and see if they're any good. How many eggs?
14.
Alright, thank you. Well, we got our eggs.